Hey you all, today's video is going to be a maintenance routine, and in this video I will be talking about my skincare, my hair care, my hand care and my oral hygiene habits. I will also be focusing more on physical health this year, so I will be talking about that too. So let's begin. Maintenance routine with me. So once in every 3 days or 2 days, I always shave my face. This is like a ritual that I always follow because my hair growth is pretty much thick and I do not like hair on my face, to be honest. And I always like to, shave whenever I can. So I will be applying this aloe vera gel from Plum and I will be shaving it with my razor. So I am shaving my face in a downward motion. So for the record, I have been shaving my face since I was in class 12. So waxing always resulted in having the small burns and my face would swell up and I used to have a lot of pimples. But shaving has literally changed the whole dynamics of my face. Like literally the face feels so soft, so smooth and there are no bumps. It has definitely improved the texture of my face and it also helps in easy apply of makeup. The makeup looks amazing when you are freshly shaved. Well, I also like to shave my neck because if I shave my face, my neck looks hairy in comparison. So I like to shave that too. So this is just a thing that I do. I have never seen anyone do this before, but I like to shave my ears as well because I feel if my face is quite litter, my ears too should look like the same. So I do like to shave that. Now this here is a very delicate area and I like to pluck out all the unnecessary hair that is present near my eyebrows, which I cannot shave because it's quite hectic and quite tough. So I like to pluck it with a plucker. So for my underarms, I like to epilate my underarms. You guys, it used to be very difficult in the beginning. It used to pain a lot. But I think I have gained that pain memory. It does not pain anymore. And I like to epilate twice every week. I won't wait for too long for the hair to grow. And as soon as I see a little bit hair growth, I like to epilate it. So let's talk about the hair care. I have literally made so many videos on hair care, but it's a part of maintenance routine. So once again. So I like to apply shampoo on my scalp and only on my scalp, not on the lengths of my hair. And I am using this shampoo from Indulekha. I really like it because it's Ayurvedic. So I will be using this scalp massager to massage my scalp and it helps in blood circulation. Well, to be honest, I like the feel of it. It feels so nice. Well, now I'll be applying this conditioner on the length of my hair. So if you do not apply conditioner just after shampooing your hair, what are you even doing? I mean, I have no words for you. I remember my parlor lady used to always scold me for not applying conditioner just after shampooing, and later I realized how much difference it made after I started using a conditioner. So I will suggest to you that always use a conditioner after shampooing. So I will be keeping this conditioner on my head for 5 to 7 minutes and then I'll wash it off. So in the meanwhile, I like to shave the back of my neck. So I do not recommend this because it's quite tough. You need to have, proper sense of what you're doing. So what I like to do is I like to keep my fingers just above the place where I want to shave. So anything that falls below that, I like to shave it off. So it's time now. Now I will untie my hair and then I will wash it off. So after washing my hair, I will like to use a microfiber towel to dry my hair. So I found out this Chemist at Play underarm roll-on from Amazon. And you guys, it's really good. It's an exfoliating underarm roll-on and I really like the fragrance of it. It has a unisex fragrance which I actually like. So for the maintenance of the body, it's very important that we actually take part in physical activities, be it walking, be it running, be it playing any sports. So I would like to introduce you this brand called Clovia. Clovia is the trusted lingerie, sleepwear, loungewear, activewear, shapewear and personal care brand of over 30 lakh urban millennial Indian women. This white halter neck top is so cute and it costed me 362 rupees only. I got this crop hoodie jacket in dark grey color and this one is so nice and it is very classy. It is crafted with moisture wicking polyester spandex fabric. Now as you could see, it has full sleeve, it has a front zipper and drawstrings. This provides an easy movement and avoids any wear or tear. Now this helps to enhance the flexibility, mobility and performance of any kind. Now this is perfect for Zumba, dance, yoga and running. I personally like to wear it when I'm running during these winter season. You can actually wear it while you work out because it helps to absorb the sweat and makes your body feel light. So the next top is ash grey and white in color and it is also an activewear and it is crafted with smooth moisture wicking polyester spandex fabric, and as you could see, it is designed with crossover style with cutout details on the back. So this is a padded activewear, so you don't need to actually wear a bra when you wear this. So the next activewear is mint green in color. So it has non-wired cups for a poke-free experience and it is very easy to slip on, and this has this crisscross and cutout detailing at the back which I actually like. So this product is very comfortable and resistant to perspiration and it provides a very easy movement and avoids any tear or wear. You can do any yoga activities, Zumba, dance and running while wearing this. It's so nice and comfortable. So the next activewear is soft pink in color. It's very comfortable. It has removable pads for convenience and also has this V neckline at the front and square neckline at the back. It has ruffled cap sleeve. Also, Valentine's Day sale is going on from 27th Jan to 14th Feb. You'll get a discount 15% to 80% off on entire site. I also have a coupon code for you guys. You can use VD15 for a 15% off on every orders above $499. So guys, let's talk about oral hygiene. So it is my belief that if you look very good outside and your mouth stinks, then there's no point of putting on makeup and going out. Our nose is the closest to our mouth, but unfortunately we cannot smell our own breath, but the person standing right next to us, that person knows how bad you stink. So it's really important to brush your teeth, guys, in the morning and in the night. I like to brush my teeth in the morning after having my breakfast because I like my mouth to be free from anything that I've just eaten. Clean your tongue, guys. I repeat, clean your tongue. So this is something that I do not do that often because I'm lazy or something. Flossing is very important. It removes all the stuck food between your teeth. I will make sure that I make this a habit this year. So after that, I like to use this Colgate Max Fresh mouthwash. It is so much refreshing. It's going to hurt, but cut down on your coffee and chai if you want white teeth. So it's time for some hand care. So what I like to do is I like to put this warm water in a bowl and I like to dip my hands in it for like 5 to 10 minutes. Now when my hand is fully soaked in water, I like to push back the cuticles, so it helps to make your nails look longer, and you must do this step. It really elongates your nails. So rather than just trimming my nails, I would like to file it. I like to file my nails in square shape because I feel it looks good on me. Now I'm using Dove exfoliating body polish to scrub my hands. After that, I will be using Dove Nourishing Secrets hand cream. You guys, I love the scent of this product. It's so nice and so soothing. It's one of my favorites. I'm definitely gonna rebuy it. It nourishes so well. So for the nail paint, I got this nail paint from my friend. She was wearing this red nail paint and I was obsessing over it. So she bought me one. I think I'm falling in love with red again. Thank you guys for watching this video. Meet you in my next one. Bye guys.